Physics video resources, how to find slope. There are 4 steps of finding slope. The first step is to identify 2 different points on the line. Step 2 tells us to record the coordinates of each point. Step 3, we subtract the x's and the y's. And finally, step 4, we divide and solve. Off to the right, I have a graph with a slope right in the middle. The x-axis is the axis that is the horizontal, like a horizon. The y-axis is the vertical axis, up and down. Step 1 tells us to identify 2 points on the line. It doesn't matter where, just 2 different points on the line. So I've got point 1 and point 2. From those points, I found their coordinates. Point 1 has an x of 1 and a y of 2. So I would write it 1, 2. Point 2, same idea. Its x value is 2, y value is 4. So I'd write it 2, 4. Step 2, I broke it up where I have x1, that is the x value at point 1, the y value at point 1, the x value at point 2, and the y value at point 2. And I just broke those up and copied them below. Step 3 is where we use those numbers to find the difference or change in the y and the x. So in step 3, I take delta y, the change in y, which is the y 0.2 minus the y 0.1. So that's 4 minus 2 equals 2. Next, I take delta x, the change in x, which is x of 0.2 and x of 0.1, which is 2 minus 1, which equals 1. And now, the final step is where we divide. We take our delta y, which we calculated in step 3, divide that by our delta x, which we calculated in step 3 as well. 2 divided by 1, type it in the calculator, we get 2. That is the value for our slope.